I'm going to show you how to make a covered bird feeder using these 2 platters from Dollar Tree, the bicycle wheel frame from Dollar Tree, the leftover Cetaphil lotion container, and decorative wood from Hobby Lobby. I have bird feeders outside, but when it rains, the seed gets wet, and I want to protect the seed so it doesn't go to waste. I wanted to make this without having to use my glue gun because that glue can soften in the heat, and I don't want to take a chance of it falling apart. What I found to fit through the bicycle wheel frame is a 10mm Allen head bolt with a 10mm lock nut. Nuts and washers to hold the top and to hang the bird feeder with. The first thing I'm going to do is take my plate and my bicycle wheel frame and the leftover container and connect them using the Allen bolt and the lock nut. Now, in order to do this, I have to put a hole through the plate that's lined up with the hole in the bicycle wheel frame and a hole in the bottom of the container. So I started a hole here, line them up, and I need to finish that. I have to make sure that the bolt's going to go through all 3 of these. Now I need to line the hole in the container up with the hole in the plate so that it can be lined up with the hole in the bicycle wheel frame. So I'm just using my wood burner to melt that in there. Before I attach these, I want to put holes in this container for the bird food to come out. You can see I already started some holes. I want to make sure the hole is big enough for enough of the seed to come out. I'm going to take my wood burner and I'm just going to start going around and around until I make the hole as big as I want. When this dries and cools off, you can use an X-Acto knife to shave the excess off. I bought these at Hobby Lobby a couple Christmases ago, and I just found them in my stash, and I decided I wanted to put them on this to make the container a little bit more attractive. So I'm going to take these and I'm going to glue them around that like this. I wanted to make sure that I glued it to where it wouldn't affect screwing the lid on and it wouldn't cover the hole. I'm going to take this 10mm bolt, put it through that, through that, and then put it through the wheel frame. I'm going to take this and start screwing that on there. With the second plate, I'm going to do it upside down on the lid. I need to melt a hole in the center, and then I need to line that up with the center of the lid that goes on this. Get that over here. Melt the hole through it. After I got the holes melted, I'm going to put this on here. Put a washer, put the plate, and then the lid. Put that in there. Okay, now we're going to put this washer here and put the bolt on it. Then I add this to the top of that, screw the lid on.